Cartel?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yes, but we're not part of it. But yeah, it's not that he left and never came back with the milk. It's not that.
Your dad got captured? Where is he now?
I never seen him again.
Yo,
We never
are you trolling or are you being dead ass?
I'm being dead ass.
Put it on your mom's life.
I put it on my mom's life.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. You were about to say El Dad.
No,
No, it wasn't his fault.
Oh my god. All right, let's go that way. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. That's so. Yeah, of course. What's up, bro? How you doing, man? Bro, all right, hold on. You know what cough syrup is?
Huh?
You know what cough syrup is?
Oh yeah.
How old are you?